Yeah, don't trust that either.
That's crazy.
Mike said don't trust that.
Yeah.
Which is funny because I did the Mustang earlier this morning. The mileage was correct, but then it was like estimated mileage. I'm like, why are you estimating more mileage?
The mileage that, so like when I look at Carfax on any of my vehicles, it'll say mileage.
No, that doesn't matter. It's with their system. When they put your car in their system, they put all your information and the mileage. But yeah, mine, I don't know.
Gray or ivory are the two options. I was like the ivory.
What was the, you can always Google until we get it on midnight. Which would also tell you that
I know they used to do it. Numbers and letters now don't actually mean anything.
yeah, BMW doesn't mean anything. Lexus has been pretty consistent. Like your RX 350s. Yeah, 5 liters. 400H. It doesn't bring 5 liters.
I think 260.
Have you seen the new ones? They look fucking sick.
They look fucking neat. I was in Gulf Shores a couple weekends ago, and I was parked in one of those condos, and there was like a dark metallic red one that was moving, and I was like, oh, that makes sense.
Dude, Lexus has got me. Ooh.
It's messed up.
Yes.
Really pretty red.
Yeah, that's probably the best thing Mazda has is that red color. I'll see a Mazda going down the road and I'm like, you're gonna break down in 2 years. Not gonna want to fix it. Yeah, like a Mitsubishi.
Forces have always been performance family cars. A Mach-E was a performance family car. It should have been a Forest shoe.